Good day, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another amazing unboxing from Newcraftday. That is www.newcraftday.com. Now, before we carry on, I just want to tell you guys, I hope you're having a wonderful new year. All the best for you in the new year. May just the best things and good things happen to you in the new year. Alright, so Newcraftday. Newcraftday is a big shop. They're beautiful. They sell a variety of things. They sell the newest beaded cross stitch. They do diamond paintings, paint by numbers. They do all the tools and accessories you can dream of. They do customs, and they do other things like tattoo stickers, weaving series, epoxy mold, the fire paint seal series, and even the scrapbook series, and so much more. Now, if you go and buy at Newcraftday, if you spend over $59, you get free shipping. Also, if you want to save a little bit more at Newcraftday, you type in my discount code, which is RELLA10 for extra 10% off. Alrighty then, there is still a Christmas sale running, as you can see. They are, let me just make sure, because by the time you see this video, yeah, it will still be on. You get 12% discount on your whole cart. That is big savings. 12% on your whole cart. That is humongous savings. Also, buy 5, get 1 free. And if you spend $1, you get a free blind box. Now that is amazing savings. The Merry Christmas 12% off code is XMS12. I will leave it in the description box so you can use it and it's easy for you to find. Alrighty then, I must say their shipping is really fast. Their customer service is amazing. And as you can see, the products never disappoint. Alright, so now it is time for us to see what they send me. Alright, look at that. You guys know I love purple. You guys know I love lotuses. Now what more can we have or want? What's in here? Alright, okay. So I took everything out. We are short a pattern, but it doesn't matter. I will write to Newcraftday. They'll make sure I get a PDF. But for me, the pattern, I don't really use it, but I will write it just for in case it gets wet, then I have it. Now with this stitch, now look at this. I got 2 bags of these little buckets. I think it is beading trays. Now I want to count how many is in a pile. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 10 in a pile. It's a little bucket. Let me just do this. So I got 40 of these. They are amazing. Look at that. Excuse the finger. I opened something earlier and I cut my finger open. Can you believe that? Yeah, that is a total sonetti. Alright, so thank you for this. This is a free gift that comes with it. And I got 40 of them. Thank you so much. They're going to come in handy. Now let's have a look at what we've got here. Let me just make sure the pattern is not here. Nope, it's not here. So I didn't receive a pattern with mine, but I did receive the instructions in English. I also received a whole spool of beading thread. Very nice thread. I like this thread. Let's have a look at this beautiful thing. You guys know I love lotuses and purple. And if you see these beads that I can see, you'll know exactly what I mean. So it's on a bright white canvas. It's 9 count. I just want to tell you the size of this. It comes in this beautiful box. You guys know these box envelopes. It's 9 count, 44 by 65 centimeters. It's really pretty. It is, I think it's pretty. You know, I've got a love for lotuses. So We are serged all the way around for our convenience. There is 29 colors. That is superb. The printing is fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. Very, very beautiful. It is amazing. Really, really pretty. I want to show you the printing. That's why I'm folding it. I'm sorry. Alright, so let's show you this printing. It is superb. Pretty, right? I think so too. Very, very nice. Very impressed with this. I love lotuses. And then now you're going to see why I'm going cuckoo bananas, right? Alright, so let's have a look. Now when you get beads, what do? We count and we see if they're all there. Yes, we do that. 20 will be there, 28 will be here, 27, 26. Ooh, let's just see here. That's going to be top row. This is 5. 12 is going to be bottom row. 10 is going to be... Sorry guys, I am just a bit quiet so I can sort this out so we can see if everything's here. So always check if all your beads are there. Please do that. 23. There's a 11 and a 9. Oh, look at all this purple. Purple, purple. Okay, this is 17, this is 22, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This one is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What's this? 15, 14, 15. This one is 7. Okay, so let me count them quickly so we see if they're all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 29 colors, and man, are they just beautiful. Oh yes they are. I'm going to show them to you just now, and while I choose which ones because they're so pretty, I want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my channel, please hit that subscribe button if you would be so kind, and if you want to, I'll appreciate very much, and by doing that you motivate me to make more videos for you and you help me out a lot. Also press that like button if you like this video and leave me a comment in the comment box. I will personally get back to you. Look at how beautiful they are. Amazing, right? They are superb, and look at all these purples. Ay, 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 my poor Stitchy soul. They are amazing. Alrighty then. So, while am I gonna pack it away? Yes, let's just put these together. While I put these together, I just want to thank Newcraftday. I love this. It's amazing. Thank you so much, guys. I love purple. I love lotuses. This is very, very me, this stitch. So thank you very, very much. Then, you guys watching me. Yes, you sitting there on the chair, standing in the kitchen, lying somewhere, I don't know. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. You do mean the world to me. Well, you must enjoy your new year. Till next time. Lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.